My name is Suniltams Guruji. I teach SEO, digital marketing, and digital coaching. In this video, I am going to talk about how to create a thank you page. Creating a thank you page is like creating any other web page. The only difference is whatever is the purpose that has been completed, we are giving thanks to the action taker. So you can create your thank you page on your website or on any landing page service like ClickFunnels uh, and ConvertKit or Google landing pages, whatever you feel like. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a simple thank you page for on ConvertKit. Here you can see I have a good number of landing pages, and today I'm going to create another one. So under the landing page and form signups, you can click on create new. And if you are creating your thank you page on any other platform, for example, on your website, you can use this form. But right now we are creating landing page on, thank you page on ConvertKit. Lots of confusion today. So we are creating thank you page on ConvertKit. So thank you page is also kind of landing page that after completing the action, the actioner will land on this page and we will be able to express our thanks. That's the only purpose. So now the thank you page can have multiple purposes to be very precise. You can simply say, thank you for taking this action. You are most welcome to my community. This, and that. This thing. Apart from this, you can do further marketing. For example, you can say, thank you for taking this action. We are glad to do this and that. Then you can give another offer that if you spend this much, we have this much for you. So you can do further marketing. Or you can say, if you are interested in getting regular updates from me, then fill the form again. Okay, then you have to create another thank you page because the person will take another action. Then the person will be redirected to another page. Thank you for filling this form. I will be sending you regular emails, something like that. So, what I'm trying to do here, I'm creating a simple thank you page that would be the last action from the action taker. So, that is totally your choice, whatever you choose here. So, I can choose the first one only that is looking very simple, or you can choose this one. Okay, choose this one. Here you can change the title of the page to whatever thank you page you are creating. For example, I am creating thanks for joining the best digital marketing course. Now, hey, you are an action taker. Thanks, and I welcome to I welcome you to my community. So here you can change the video. If you can create a thank you video also where you can give the brief that what action the action taker has taken and what he or she can expect further. For example, I can create a simple video. For example, I can create this video. Hey, thank you very much for joining my Fast Track Digital Marketing course. Fast Track Digital Marketing course has all the resources you need to run your social media agency or provide all digital marketing services. You are not required to spend any money on any of the tools in starting. Once you are able to make good money, then you can decide to go for any other paid tools. Believe me, you are going to get a lot more than you paid in this fast track digital marketing course. See you in the course. Thank you once again for joining fast track digital marketing course. So this is the video I created, and now I'm going to save it. Thanks for joining fast track digital marketing. I can save it in temporary folder. Then I can go to my YouTube channel and upload it there. Now I can upload this video to YouTube. Thanks for joining Fast Track Digital Marketing. So you can keep the title as per your requirement, whatever is your service or product, you can mention that. And this video is available to only the people related to this funnel. So this video is not going to be public. We need to keep it unlisted. So it is not available to everyone on our YouTube channel. So we have to keep it unlisted. So we have to go there. I forgot to make it unlisted. Let me go back and make it unlisted. Done. Save. You can put the, you should put the thumbnail also on this video. That will be good. Then go back to the landing page again, and here you can paste the link. Now the video is there on our thank you page. I don't think we need anything else here. So you can simply delete whatever else is there. Here you can say um, join my newsletter. So if the person is interested, this person will join the newsletter. Otherwise, it's okay. Otherwise, it's okay. And we can keep it this much only. So the only purpose of this thank you page is to make the visitor feel good and to track the conversion. So to track the conversion, you can put your analytics here. Here you can put your Google Analytics code. Here you can put your Facebook Pixel code, and that's it. One more thing I would like to add here is whenever you are working in ConvertKit, you have to have your custom domain here. I have this no.suniltams.com. So here, this page, I'm going to give custom URL that is thanks and FTDM. Thanks for joining Fast Track Digital Marketing course. So that is thanks FTDM. Add, save, save, publish. So why I did this? It is important for many ways. First of all, the page will not look spammy. It will have a proper domain and people will be able to recognize this. It belongs to someone. The second most important thing is the traffic is coming to your domain. So your domain authority is increasing day by day. So it is very important. Keep it in mind and always try to do that. Always try to use your own domain for everything, for billing, for landing pages, for sub pages, whatever service you are using, learning management system. You should have one domain and subdomains for everything else. So this is the page. Let me show you. When you click on publish, this is the domain, custom URL. When you put it in other tab, it will open. Hey, you are an action taker. Thanks, and I welcome you to my community. The person will be playing this video. Hey, thank you very much for joining my Fast Track Digital Marketing course. Fast Track Digital Marketing course has all the resources you need to run your social media agency or provide all digital marketing services. You are not required to spend any money on any of the tools in start. This is just for sample because I created this video from another camera. That is why video quality is very poor. So because primary camera I'm using for this video to create. So that's all. Thank you page is created. We have put the Google code, Facebook Pixel code, and the conversion will be tracked properly. So if you are tracking the conversion, obviously you have to follow few more steps. You have to add this URL in Events Manager in Facebook so that our conversion is tracked properly. If you need any help related to Facebook ads or landing pages or conversion tracking or how to run ads or whatever related to digital marketing, always feel free to reach Suniltams Guruji. I am here to help you. And if you wish to become master of digital marketing, you can join my digital marketing course for 6,999 as of today. Today is, let me check what is the date. 20th February. As of today, the course is costing you 6,999 and there are bonuses worth rupees 50,000 plus. I have weekly sessions with my students and I always provide fast and super fast and high quality customer service that is support to my students. Thank you for watching this complete video. Bye bye. Have a nice time.